The lawsuit alleges specific media companies are responsible for the increase of an unprecedented mental health crisis among young people. The Anne Arundel County School District lawsuit alleges Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube have rewired how kids think, feel, and behave. It claims these social media companies repeatedly expose young users to their preferences, eventually making them addicted to the app.
We want to get these social media companies to respect children and treat them the way they should be treated, not as a profit center. So we want to get them to change their algorithms, change their platforms, so we don't have a problem in the future.
Meta, which owns Facebook, is the only company that offered a comment about the lawsuit. A Meta spokesperson writes, reports from the CDC and others point to growing academic pressure, concerns of safety in schools, the lingering impact of the pandemic, and limited access to mental health care as key factors. We want to work with schools and academic experts to better understand these issues and how social media can provide teens with support when they need it. Many people tell us parents can do a better job of policing social media use.
I think parents should be the people that are molding their children. Not a society, not a government, none of that. Parents.
Just pay attention to what your children are doing. Just know their whereabouts and just keep it, in contact with them.
The lawsuit cites data from a variety of sources, indicating a third of 13 to 17-year-olds report using social media apps almost constantly and would struggle to cut back. Suicide rates are up 57%. Emergency room visits for anxiety, 117%. And a 40% increase in high school students reporting persistent sadness and hopelessness.
I don't know if there is anything that can be done. I mean, now that social media is such a part of our present day, I don't know if there's any real way of stopping or changing that.
The lawsuit filed in federal court also seeks an opportunity for the school district to recoup finances lost from diverting money and resources to address student mental health issues. Reporting from Glen Burnie, David Collins, WBIL TV 11 News.